Hey, Tia Silvesi here from University of Florida Extension, Orange County, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to grow papaya from fruit to seed to plant to getting it back in your garden. So this is a ripe papaya I just harvested off of my papaya tree. It's beautiful and I'm going to save the seeds from it. So step number one is to cut it in half. Cut the fruit in half and then scoop out the seeds with a spoon. So I'm going to do that on a piece of paper I have here. And you just want to do real gentle and get the seeds and try not to get too much of the pulp or the seed casing with it. So just gently take out the seeds. Now after you do that, just let them sit for a couple days. You can wash them or not. So here are some papaya seeds. And if you look carefully, the little white ones are immature seeds. Those will not develop, and so they're not to be planted. But after you let them dry out for a couple days, then you'll have some dried seed. And you can hear as they bounce off the plate, they're nice and dry. So now we get to the planting stage. You do not have to let them dry out to plant, but I can't plant all the seeds at one time, so I wait for that. So I usually do it in a flat and use a flat kind of like this. That's pretty deep, about 4 to 6 inches deep. But if you don't have one of those flats, then you can just use a 4-inch pot. And in the 4-inch pot, just poke a hole in the middle and then put 1 or 2 or 3 seeds in the middle. So there's different philosophies about how many seeds to plant, but bottom line is if you plant a lot of seeds, then you're bound to have some papayas. So if you did plant it in a 4-inch pot, this is what it will look like in about 2 to 3 months. So they're a little bit slow growing, but after that they take off rapidly. Once you get it to this stage, then bump it up into a 1-gallon pot. And once you get it up to the 1-gallon pot and you see the roots growing out of the bottom, that's when you know it's ready to plant in the ground. So right now it's the beginning of April in Florida, and it's a good time to plant papayas because we're not expecting any more freezes and it will have all year to grow. These can produce in as little as 9 months. So around, the fall or Christmas time, then you should be expecting big, beautiful papayas like that. And so that's how you do it, loop to loop. So thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more videos.